All right, question number 11. We have a table with some data. It's going to represent the pulse rates or beats per minute of 9 students enrolled in a statistics course. We're going to treat the 9 students as the population. We're going to complete parts A through C. So I think the best way is to allow the computer to copy this in Excel. So I'm going to do the Excel formula. Okay, so once that happens, I'm going to pull up this data, and we want to compute the population standard deviation. So I'm just going to go below. I'll go ahead and label this box SIGMA sigma. I think there's some way you can probably find Greek symbols if you want, but just type in the word, it's going to be fine if you want to label it. I'm going to come up here to formulas. I'm going to go to more functions, statistical, and I'm going to scroll all the way down and find standard deviation. So this STDEV is short for standard deviation. There's 2 of them. There's a P for population and S for sample. We want P. I'm going to tell it I want these numbers here. So B2 through 10, click OK. Then it computes my population standard deviation. We want to round to 1 decimal place. So that's going to be 8.1. All right, B says we have 3 samples of size 3, and we want to find the sample standard deviation of those 3. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make 3 columns and put those numbers in there. So the first 3, Janet, it's going to be 86. The second observation, it's going to be 64. And the third, it's going to be 76. Okay, so that's my first sample. My second sample, 83. The 74. And then 71. All right, and then my third sample is going to give me 64, 76, and then 71. Okay, so the best thing about Excel, I can do all of them at once. I can say S for sample standard deviation. I'm going to go to more functions, statistical, scroll all the way down. This time I'm going to use the standard deviation S. I want these 3 values. Click OK. Once you get it, you see there's a little box in the corner. Excel will copy and drag and maintain that same formula. So when my bold cross or hollowed out cross turns into a smaller bold, that means click. It's on that corner. You can click and drag it, and it just copies that formula straight across. So if you click, it shows you STDEV-S, and it's showing E2 through E4, which is E2, E3, E4. So it's picking up all of those. So I got all 3 at once. The first one wants the first one rounded to 1 decimal place, so it's just 11.0. Sample 2, 6.2. And then sample 3, 6.0. And then question 3, which samples underestimate the population standard deviation, overestimated? And so we'll put that here. So compared to the population, which is 8, the first one is over, and the next 2 are under. So this one's going to be over, and these are going to be under and under. Nothing is equal to it. Okay, so that's going to be it for 11.